Mamawag, no good. Rebound by De Leon. Foul. Committed by number 25, Dikilasan, first personal foul, second team foul, substitution there. Labido and Salvador out, Funelas and Morelos in. Time remaining 5 minutes and 13 seconds left. No good, rebound by Bautista. 15 seconds to shoot, Del Rosario. 10 seconds to shoot. They're set by Funelas. Basket by Santiago. 30 seconds, injury timeout. Time remaining 4 minutes and 44 seconds left. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 4 minutes and 43 seconds left. Official score 4-3, 1 point lead by Patriots.
Labas kayo doon kayo sa ano, sa online dyan.
Del Rosario, 3-point shot. No good. Foul committed by number 19, Loyola, first personal foul, 13 foul. $15 seconds to shoot, Funelas. 10 seconds to shoot, basket by Santiago. Rebound by Loyola to Dikilasan.
Change favor tayo, 5-4. 1 point lead by Troopers.
15 seconds to shoot.
1 point lead by Troopers.
Foul committed by number 25, Dikilasan. Dikilasan second personal foul, warning for penalty. Substitution there. Dikilasan out, Jesus in. 3 minutes and 55 seconds left. No good. Follow up, basket.
Score 7-4, 3 point lead by Troopers.
Loyola spot. No good. Foul committed by number 6, Funelas, first personal foul. Substitution ref, Mamawag out, Arquero in. Loyola pass to Del Rosario, 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by De Leon. Intercept by Jesus to Arquero. Intercept by Funelas. No good. Rebound by Del Rosario. No good. Intercept by Del Rosario. No good. Rebound by Funelas to De Leon. Same ball. Time out, Patriots. Time remaining 2 minutes and 23 seconds left.
Last night, I was on next day.